So this blade is cut in like it's blunt. The problem here is that there's been a lot of resin build-up around the teeth and that's creating resistance when it's on the saw bench. So to save some money, save it getting sharpened, losing some of the metal from the teeth, I'm just gonna clean the teeth. I'm going to show you how I do that now. So to clean the teeth, I'm going to be using this Halfords engine and parts degreaser. You can buy purpose-made cleaners for cleaning the resin off saw blades, but they're a lot more expensive than this. And I'm going to give this a try and see how it performs. So I'm going to spray it on the teeth, leave it about 20 minutes, and then give the teeth a good scrub with a wire brush. And that's it. I'll come back 20 minutes later. So I started off using a brass wire brush. I used the brush against the direction of cut. Even though brass is a lot softer, I didn't want to create any wear on the teeth themselves. So yeah, I started using the brass brush first because I was being very cautious. Found that the brush got most of the resin off, but there was still some harder pieces on the sides of the teeth themselves. So I decided to go over and using a steel wire brush. So you can see now that the area behind the teeth is very clean now, with no build-up. The teeth themselves are much cleaner, but they've still got a small amount of build-up on them, and that comes off really easy now with just your nail. So I'm thinking that the brass brush is not firm enough to clean this last bit, so I'm going to go over to using a steel brush to get this last bit of resin off. But as you can see now, the teeth are still sharp. Yeah, so that's coming off now. And you can see you've got a completely shiny tooth. So this is the first time I've done this, so it is very much a trial. But it seems to be working well. It's not too time consuming. I think you can clean up a blade like this in about 20 minutes. And I think that's worth doing because these blades, they cost me about £30, and to get them sharpened you're probably looking at about £12 plus delivery, so you're probably looking at about £15 to get them sharpened. So there you go, one blade cleaned, ready to go back on the saw bench. Thanks for watching.